Hello friends, this is Mwana Muluba and welcome to this 25th Kiluba tutorial. Today we are going to talk about possessive pronouns in Kiluba. Let's get started. Usually in Kiluba we have two types of possessive pronouns, two variations. This first variation is usually used when referring to people. We have my, which means wami, your, which means wobe, is or er, which means wanji, our means wetu, your means wenu, their means wabo. For example, wami mwana, my son. Let's review one more time. This variation of the possessive pronoun is usually used when referring to people. We have wami, which means my, wobe, which means your, wanji is or er, wetu, which means our, wenu, which means their, your, and wabo, which means their. For example, wami mwana means my son. Let's continue. We have the second variation of the possessive pronouns. This one is usually used when referring to things. We have yami, which means my, yobe, which means your, yanji, which means is or er, yetu, which means ours, our, yen, which means your, and yabo, which means their. For example, kintu kyami, which means my thing, and Tandayami, which means my country. Let's review one more time. This variation of possessive pronoun is used to refer to things. For example, yami, which means my, yobe, which means your, yanji, which means is or er, yetu, which means our, yen, which means your, yabo means there. For example, kintu kyami, my thing, Tandayami, my country. Thanks guys, that is for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and you can also check the link below to my other social profile. Thanks for watching. Bye.